going on YouTube, man? We back with another video. And today, we back throwing more mods on the car, trying to make her faster, you know what I'm saying? Today, we're gonna be getting right into it. We got some more mods thrown in the car. One mod I've been wanting to do for a little while now. I feel like I said every video, but I already got them here. So let's see what we got. So as you can see, we got a little bit of something, nothing too crazy. Mod number one, we're gonna be throwing on. Hold up. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The true HEMI V8 throttle body. It's the 80mm throttle body that goes on 5.7s and 6.4s, the stock one. Be an upgrade over I think the V6 is coming like a 73mm. So slightly bigger, and hopefully that'll get us forcing some more air through there. I also got the adapter plate kit from MMX. Cable kit. So since we got the bigger throttle body, I feel like we're gonna need some more air. So I got with another. I'm going with a new intake for the car. It'd be better than the one I already know. Oh, intakes don't do anything. This would be better than the one we got on the car. It actually has a enclosed box design. Shouldn't take too long to put those two on. We should go ahead and get to the next one. We got some parts from Detroit Axle. My front lower control arms need to be replaced. Quick story, I thought I just needed alignment, so I took it to Firestone. Bruh, they quoted me $3,600 parts and labor. Yeah, fuck that. I went on here, I bought this for like, all this for like $175, and I'm finna put all this shit on by myself. That's all we got for the parts that we're gonna get installing. I'm already sweating. We're gonna go ahead and get them installed, get going, see how they do.
Oh, nigga!
We got the old throttle body and intake go off the car. Pretty much got them right here for a side by side, and that's actually, I didn't think the difference would be that noticeable, but it's actually kind of insane. That's a lot smaller. See, but like, that's fitting all the way on the inside. Yeah, it's dirty, but we got that new throttle body put on. Honestly rated 3 out of 10. That was pretty simple, honestly. Line the place up in the gas, it's nothing too crazy. Yeah, only thing left is this V6 to V8 cable. And what we'll do with that is we'll just take the old V6. All right, got it plugged in on this side. So, just like that. Now it's just an extra long cable in there, but you know, it's all hooked up. Finally got everything installed. Intake in. New throttle body, and she looking pretty good now. Look. Hey, she's sounding pretty good. Throttle response is feeling great, like super light. All right, as y'all can see, no warning lights or anything from the bigger throttle body. First drive. I don't know, that felt a little quicker. Maybe just because I just spent a bunch of money. Yeah, it kind of feels a little quicker. the 0-60. Before we get in there, peep the temp. It's 87. She kind of moving. What's that, a 6'4"? Not gonna lie. I know that's one down. Wait, that's one more. Cause we got a 6'3" the other day, but that was a 20-degree difference. Like 20 degrees lower. I'm sure. I'm gonna have to just go out and like 60 and see. Especially, it's still pulling. Yeah. And that wasn't just full throttle for y'all. Oh, that's slow as shit. All right. I know she's slow, but she getting a little faster. Look, she getting a little faster. No bullshit. It's actually throwing me back a little bit. What the world? Nah, my car's definitely faster now. Maybe with a mix of the coil packs and the lower intake with these two, my car is definitely faster. She is pulling. Oh.
Can you shut the fuck?
All right, guys, we don't got back from the, quick little test drive. Car running, pulling. I'm talking about goody hell. Money well spent. But we ain't done all the way yet. Now we're gonna go in and jack the car and can replace all these suspension pieces we got. Got this one out. I'm not really recording as much because I'm gonna be honest with you. But I got this part off with the tie rod end and this. Got this one lower control arm. Now we gotta go after this one is right here, connected to all of this. It's not really hard. The hardest thing is getting these motherfuckers to come out of these right here. This all I got right here. 7 ounces, no, get you something heavier. That was a doozy. I was only able to change out these lower forward rearward control arms in the front. I wasn't able to get my tie rods in. The old ones are kind of welded together. I'm gonna just pick another time to do that. But main thing is, oh yeah, she ain't dirty. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, throttle body, intake, 10 out of 10 mod. Car's moving. Car is really moving. Can't wait to throw a tune on it and get the rest that we're gonna get out of it. I haven't test drove the control arms yet. Kind of scared too. I'll leave a little something at the end if they messed up or not. If I don't, then they good. But tired as hell, dirty as hell, fine as hell. Appreciate y'all if y'all still watching. We still got more shit coming for the car. This ain't it, brother. This ain't it. So stay tuned. Appreciate everybody tapping in. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.